Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you run Elden Ring on a low-end laptop. First, ensure your system meets the absolute minimum requirements. Update your graphics drivers, like NVIDIA or AMD, to their newest versions for crucial performance boosts. Before starting the game, close all other programs running in the background, including web browsers and chat applications. This frees up valuable RAM and CPU cycles, giving Elden Ring more resources to utilize. Next, dive into the game's settings. Reducing your screen resolution significantly improves frame rates. Try 720 pixels or 900 pixels. Set texture quality, shadow quality, and effects quality to low to reduce the load on your graphics card. Also, disable visually intensive options like motion blur, depth of field, and ambient occlusion. These changes will make a substantial difference in how smoothly the game runs on your machine. For more advanced optimization, consider using community-made performance mods, such as the Elden Ring FPS Unlocker and more, which can help stabilize frame rates. Additionally, adjust your Windows power plan to high performance to ensure your CPU and GPU are operating at their maximum potential. You might also try a game booster application. These tools can temporarily suspend non-essential processes, dedicating more resources to Elden Ring. Finally, manage your expectations. While these steps will improve performance, a low-end laptop likely won't achieve a consistent 60 frames per second. Ensure your laptop stays cool to prevent thermal throttling, which can severely impact performance. Consider using a cooling pad. Regularly clean temporary files, and if you have a hard disk drive, defragment it to maintain optimal system responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.